Okay, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way I know to attach a Nendoroid head to an 11 centimeter Obitsu body. You will need your Nendoroid of choice, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and an 11 centimeter Obitsu. Okay, I'm going to use this tray to put my small parts in so they don't roll onto the ground. I'm going to start with the Obitsu body, and I'm going to remove the screw from the top of the neck. And then place it where it won't roll away. Then we're going to remove this cap that's on top of the neck. And we're going to set this aside and go to our Nendoroid. I'm going to gently twist and pull the body and the head apart. And we're going to gently wiggle the hair apart. A little more. There we go. Okay, this is the piece we want. We're going to bend the neck down and gently pull and wiggle them apart. Okay, and we take this piece and we'll put it on top of our Obitsu's neck with this little piece facing the chest or front of the body. We're going to take our screw and put it back in the hole at the top of the neck, and we're going to gently screw them back together. Okay, now we can put our Nendoroid head back on. And we're done. The only downfall to this is that the Nendoroid head is heavy, so it does want to look up or down. But if you're gentle and patient, you can get it to balance. Oh, it's so cute. All right, and that's it. We're done.